Welcome to Compare to Win. The best kitchen canisters is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked additions to any functional and aesthetically pleasing kitchen, offering a stylish and practical solution for storing everything from coffee beans and sugar to flour and pasta, ensuring your ingredients stay fresh and your countertops remain clutter-free, ultimately elevating your cooking experience and the overall ambience of your culinary space. Number 5. 10 Strawberry Street Ceramic Kitchen Canister Set. Introducing a beautiful 3-piece canister set, perfect for keeping your kitchen countertops tidy. It includes small, medium, and large sizes to store all your essentials. Each canister comes with a silicone gasket lid, ensuring an airtight seal. This keeps your dry foods, baking ingredients, and pantry staples fresh and secure. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, these canisters are built to last. The lids are made from eco-friendly bamboo, adding a warm, natural touch. Featuring a classic black and white farmhouse design, these canisters are clearly labeled for coffee, sugar, and flour. They blend functional organization with modern style. These versatile canisters are ideal for countertop storage and pantry organization. They are a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. To maintain their beautiful finish and design, we recommend hand washing these ceramic canisters. Enjoy their lasting appeal for years to come. What we like. This set offers a charming farmhouse aesthetic with clear labels for coffee, sugar, and flour. The airtight seal ensures your ingredients stay fresh, and the natural bamboo lids add a touch of organic warmth. If you appreciate a blend of style and function for your countertop, and want to easily identify your staples, this is a great choice. What people say. The canisters are made of high-quality stainless steel, which is durable and rust-resistant. The airtight lids keep food fresh for longer periods. The set includes 3 different sizes, perfect for storing various kitchen staples like flour, sugar, and coffee. Number 4. Acre Designs Farmhouse Kitchen Canisters. Introducing our charming set of 3 kitchen canisters, designed to bring farmhouse style to your home. They are perfect for organizing your favorite ingredients. This set includes 3 canisters of varying sizes, perfect for tea, coffee, and sugar. Keep your essentials neatly organized and easily accessible. Crafted with a stainless steel rim and a durable powder-coated finish, these canisters are built to last. The tight sealing lids ensure your ingredients stay fresh. Add a touch of rustic elegance to your kitchen with their unique, hand-painted accents. They are not just functional but also beautiful decorative pieces. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organized bliss. These canisters provide ample storage while adding a decorative touch to your kitchen space. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set makes an excellent choice for housewarmings or any special occasion. It's a delightful present that combines style and function. What we like. These canisters bring a unique rustic charm to your kitchen with their hand-painted accents and farmhouse style. Built with durable stainless steel rims and a powder-coated finish, they are made to last. If you're looking to add a touch of vintage elegance and character to your kitchen while keeping your essentials organized, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The canisters are a good size and look nice on the counter. They are airtight and keep the contents fresh. The set includes 3 different sizes, which is convenient for storing various items. Number 3. Juvale Black Iron Square Container Set. Introducing a stylish addition to your kitchen decor. These black iron canisters are designed to preserve the freshness of your coffee beans, tea leaves, and sugar, while enhancing your countertop's elegance. These kitchen counter canisters feature tight sealing lids that lock in flavor, ensuring your ingredients remain fresh. Experience enhanced preservation of your coffee beans and tea leaves with this well-crafted set. Beyond storing coffee and tea, these canisters accommodate grains, pasta, and more, making them ideal for organized kitchen spaces. They are perfect for those who appreciate both form and function. With their sleek black finish, these canisters blend seamlessly into modern decor. The iron construction ensures durability, while the elegant design makes them a standout feature. Each canister in this set of 3 is labeled tea, coffee, and sugar, optimizing storage in a stylish manner. Their generous capacity makes them perfect for a well-organized kitchen. What we like. This set provides a sophisticated storage solution with its sleek black iron construction and square design. Each canister is labeled and offers a generous 48-ounce capacity, ensuring effective preservation of your coffee, tea, and sugar. If you desire a modern, minimalist look for your kitchen and need efficient, stylish organization for larger quantities, this is an excellent option. What people say. The canisters are a good size and look great on the counter. They are easy to clean and keep the contents fresh. The lids fit tightly and prevent spills. Number 2. Tabletops Gallery Ceramic Canister Set. Crafted from the finest stoneware, this canister set features a natural glaze for a watertight seal. Its non-porous surface makes it virtually impermeable to liquids, stains, and odors, ensuring lasting quality. While dishwasher safe, we recommend hand washing to preserve the beauty of the natural acacia wood accents. This ensures they remain pristine for years to come. These canisters boast a warm white ceramic glaze, each embossed with a unique, trendy pattern. The exposed ceramic bottom creates a stylish two-tone effect, complemented by beautiful acacia wood lids with convenient loop handles. This collection comes complete with 3 canisters, a small, 32 ounces, a medium, 51 ounces, and a large, 70 ounces. Perfect for organizing your kitchen essentials. Looking for the perfect gift for someone who loves to cook or entertain? This set is beautifully boxed and ready to be given for any occasion. What we like. Crafted from classic stoneware with a non-porous glaze, this set offers excellent durability and resistance to stains and odors. The unique embossed patterns and beautiful acacia wood lids with loop handles add a touch of trendy style. If you value both aesthetic appeal and easy maintenance, with the added benefit of dishwasher safety for the canisters, this collection is a fantastic choice. What people say. The canisters are made of durable stainless steel. The airtight lids keep food fresh for longer. The set includes 3 different sizes, perfect for various storage needs. Number 1. Lenox Butterfly Meadow 3-Piece Canister Set. Introducing the Lenox Butterfly Meadow 3-Piece Canister Set. This collection brings a touch of nature to your kitchen with its beautiful floral design. Perfect for storing condiments or other kitchen essentials, these containers offer both style and functionality. They come in 3 convenient sizes to suit your needs. Crafted from high-quality porcelain, these canisters are built to last. They are designed to withstand daily use and maintain their beauty. Enjoy effortless cleanup as these pieces are completely dishwasher safe. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your home. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set makes a wonderful present for women, adding a charming and practical touch to any kitchen. Each canister features a delicate floral design, inspired by nature's beauty. The included lids ensure your contents stay fresh and secure. What we like. This set is made from fine porcelain, offering a delicate yet durable option for your kitchen storage. The charming floral design adds a touch of elegance, and the convenience of being dishwasher safe makes cleaning a breeze. If you're looking for a beautiful, easy-to-care-for set that brings a touch of nature-inspired beauty to your kitchen, this is an ideal selection. What people say. The canisters are a good size for storing flour, sugar, and coffee. They look very nice on the counter and keep the contents fresh. The lids fit snugly and keep out moisture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.